Equivalent mass of acids we will discuss in this session. For acids, equivalent mass is equal to molar mass divided by basicity. What is basicity? Basicity of an acid is number of replaceable H plus. Number of replaceable H plus is known as basicity. Let's see some examples. HCl, monobasic acids, H2SO4, dibasic acids, H3PO4, tribasic acids, H3PO3, dibasic acids, H3PO2, monobasic acids, HNO3, monobasic acids, CH3COOH, monobasic acid, H2C2O4, oxalic acid, dibasic acid. Like this you can take. The interesting point comes at these three: H3PO4, H3PO3, H3PO2. There are 3 hydrogens in each case, but orthophosphoric acid is tribasic, phosphorus acid is dibasic, hypophosphorus acid is monobasic. CH3COH, this hydrogen will be moving out, not these hydrogens. Hydrogen must be attached to more electronegative atom. So even though 4 hydrogens are there, its basicity is 1. H2C2O4 is oxalic acid, its basicity is 2. For your convenient idea, I will just give you the structures of H3PO4, H3PO3 and H3PO2. See, up to here all are same. Here you can notice 3 OH groups are there, so basicity is 3. Here 2 OH group is there, basicity is 2. Here only 1 OH group is there, basicity is 1. H3PO4 is tribasic, is dibasic, and H3PO2 is dibasic, H3PO2 is monobasic. H3PO4 tribasic, H3PO3 dibasic, H3PO2 monobasic. These structures you remember, these are very important. Coming to equivalent mass. Equivalent mass of HCl 36.5 by 1. H2SO4 molecular mass is 98, dibasic. HNO3 molecular mass is 63 by 1. Acetic acid CH3COOH molecular mass is 60, so by 1. H2C2O4 oxalic acid molecular mass is 90 by 2. But you will be getting this question generally, H2C2O4 dot 2H2O. It is 126 by 2. H2C2O4 molecular mass is 90 and 2 water molecules are also present. 2 water means 36. 90 plus 36 is 126 by 2. And when it comes to H3PO4, H3PO3, H3PO2, molecular mass by 3, molecular mass by 2, molecular mass by 1. This is the basic idea. But your questions will be like this also. See, H2SO4 is converted to HSO4 minus is converted to SO4 minus 2. If this is asked, what is the equivalent mass here? Actually, this is interesting question. Here you see, equivalent mass is equals to molecular mass by 1 because only one proton is displaced. Number of replaceable hydrogens, only one is displaced or one is replaced. Here also same thing, equivalent mass is equals to molecular mass by 1, only one is displaced. But in general, what happens is this reaction takes place where 2 protons are displaced. That's why equivalent mass is equals to molecular mass by 2 in general. But if they are asking you particular this step only, then you need to be very careful about the structure. One more example you see, H3PO4 converted to H2PO4 minus, converted to HPO4 minus 2, converted to PO4 minus 3. See carefully. Here molecular mass by 1 because 1 proton is lost. Here also molecular mass by 1. I am saying about the equivalent mass. Equivalent mass is equals to molecular mass by 1. In this step also molecular mass by 1. But this case, you can see in this case 3 hydrogens, 1 hydrogen. So 2 are gone, so m by 2. But in this case 3 hydrogens have gone, so molecular mass by 3. And in this case H2PO4 minus 2 PO4 minus 3, again same thing, molecular mass by 2.